My name is Mike Oxford. I'm the director of the Topeka Independent Living Resource Center, the local Center for Independent Living here in Topeka. I'm also an organizer with a group called ADAPT. This is our issue, and I guess this is my issue. I've been working to get people out of different kinds of institutions basically ever since I grew up. So it's been about 25 years that I've spent doing this, and this is what we do with ADAPT. And one of the messages I just want to say is contact your legislator, write letters, email, jump up and down, stand on your head, march in the street. I mean, if you want to win and if you want to get what you deserve, you're going to have to do something. Because just sitting back and letting someone else do it and thinking that there's going to be a professional and someone who's smart with the answer, it won't work and you won't get it. You guys are the smart ones and the professionals and the ones that have to win what you need for yourselves and for all of us. I'm supposed to talk about a bill. The bill is, I believe there's a copy in your backpack that you're going to get if you don't kill me, because everyone's sitting around, can I get my backpack and go? No, you can't leave until we're done. I mean, you can't get your backpack until we finish. So I'm feeling worried up here. And anyway, so it's in the backpack. It's called Senate Bill 566. And I'll start from the, I guess, ending spot on that bill. We had a hearing on the bill today. It went really well. It's the easiest hearing I've been in. Basically, the Cabinet Secretary said, Secretary Jordan said, yeah, I think we can do that kind of work, and we have money for it. Well, hell, why show up? No, so that's the good part on the bill, but we do need to make sure that it gets done. And I think the important thing is to talk about where that bill came from. In my center, we're run, controlled, managed, staffed by people with different kinds of disabilities. We are them, they are us, we are us. We're all disabled in different ways at my agency. And the other thing that we do is we ask the people that we serve to tell us what their issues are. Tell us what you want to work on. What are your big gripes? What do you want to accomplish this coming year? And usually it's stuff like we need more housing, we don't want service cuts, stop taking my Social Security away. I mean, important stuff, that's what we get back. And usually it's stuff about the people that we serve. Well, this year something weird happened, and instead of that, what the people said that we serve, people with disabilities said, we want better wages and particularly health care for our home workers, for our attendants, is what we call them, aides, home care workers, various things. And so this is what Senate Bill 566 is about. And really the bill's not going to get you health care, and it's not going to get you more money. What it's going to do, hopefully, is get the state to figure out a system to do those things. Because right now the state has no plan, it has no procedure, system, budgetary mechanism, or anything like that to actually get the workers better wages and to get people into health insurance. So we got to have a plan first, and that's what this bill will do, and hopefully make something then that once it's done, we can all charge at it and then make them fulfill it if we work together. So what we did with this bill is that's who we heard from. And the attendants. I mean, attendants are moms, their dads, their brothers, their sisters, their friends. That's who the attendant workers are. And so this is us. This is our kind of bill. It came from us, and it's for us. So contact your legislators. Get a hold of me if you want to help us work, because there's an organization that's formed of people with disabilities and their attendants that is the front organization on this bill, because we believe that it's best if people organize and act for themselves, and so that's what we do, is help people form their own advocacy groups. So that's what I want to say, and help us out. We can get better wages that are deserved, and certainly health insurance, but we are going to have to fight for it, because otherwise we'll end up here next year sitting around going, I wish I made more money. So thank you all, and you can charge up here and grab your backpack and go.
Thank you, Mike. These guys are awesome. I mean, doesn't that make it kind of charge up? Makes you want to just run down to the State House right now, doesn't it? Listen, what a great evening. Quick announcement, and while I make this announcement, I think some of the staff folks are going to work to get those backpacks to the door. So let me explain the layout here to you. Each of these two sets of doors, the second and third door on this side, the second and third door on this side, will have the backpacks next to them. The second door on each side will have large, the T-shirt in the backpack will be large, and the third door on each side, the T-shirt in the backpack will be extra large, so you can kind of figure out which zone you want to get into. And if you wish to have the materials in your backpack in Braille, the Braille materials would be on this side, to your left side of the building. Thank you all so very much for coming. I hope you agree it's been a great evening, empowering, uplifting, and we have a clear vision of the future and how to get there. Drive safely. God bless you all.
30 years.
30 years.
30 years.
One voice.
One voice.
One voice. One voice.